Okay, hello dear students. I am live right now. So you all can start commenting if you can listen my voice. Suman Mahato. If I am audible, then you all can join, okay? Okay, good morning, sir. See, I am sorry for the background disturbances because that cannot be minimized, okay? So, if my voice is audible to you, then only I'll start. Please comment to me whether I am audible to you or not. If I am audible, then we can start with the class. Okay, so good morning. Yes, sir. That means my voice is audible? Yes, sir, audible, okay. Clear? Loud and clear? Okay, Rina Lama. Yes, sir, you are audible. Thank you so much for your comments. Please do not hesitate to comment, okay? Please keep on commenting. Yes, sir, clear. Okay, fine. Done now. Yes, sir, it's loud and clear. Okay, thank you so much, Rahul Singh. Okay, so today we will start. Aryan has joined or not? Last time you was asking me one doubt. So based on that doubt only, the first topic that I have brought. After that again we will solve questions, okay? So done. So this is the first thing that we will discuss today, that is you need to have a clear concept of what is oxidation, okay, what is oxidized and what is oxidizing agent, okay. So in order to make this clear, I will take one example with you, okay. So I have got an element sodium. So sodium, we all know that the configuration is 2, 8 and 1, okay. So we all know that sodium is going to lose one electron, so it is going to lose one electron and it becomes Na plus, okay. Now you tell me out here, dear students, I have a question for you. Okay, you tell me, dear students, I have a question for you, that which process is this? This is oxidation or reduction? Tell me quickly. Comment me quickly. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, this is oxidation. Very good. So yes, all of you are commenting. Who is this clashing Adda? Okay, Nikhil, Yugal. Okay, the first answer was given by Shivam Kedia today, okay. So yes, thank you so much, because it gives what it gives, okay. So this is oxidation, okay. Now the first thing, that means which process is this? This process is known as oxidation, okay. What is this process known as? This is known as oxidation. Done. Now they will ask you three important aspects are there, okay. Three important aspects are there which you have to understand. What is that? Sodium is losing one electron and it is becoming Na plus. So what is this process known as? Oxidation. Very good. And sodium is getting oxidized or reduced. Now you comment with this quickly. Sodium is getting oxidized or reduced? Sodium is getting oxidized or reduced? Okay, Poonam Mittal is saying reduced. Shivam Keda is saying oxidized. Some of you are saying reduced. Okay, reduced. Many reduced answer I am getting. Okay, many reduced. Or some of Rahul Singh is saying oxidized. Okay, now, okay, first of all, let me get all the answers. Those who all have joined, now they all can start commenting, okay. Oxidized. Okay. Now, see, one thing I would like to tell you here is, see, sodium, yes, don't change answers. Okay, reduced, oxidized, Rina Lama. Other students, those who have joined, you also can comment quickly. Now see, one thing I would like to tell you that the process is oxidation, hence sodium we will say it is oxidized. Okay, so this is the oxidized. So this is the main confusion that students tend to have. One thing you remember here, you remember it as a keyword. If the process is oxidation, then it is oxidized. Am I clear? If the process is oxidation, then it is oxidized. Okay? Am I clear? Okay. If the process is oxidation, it is oxidized. Now, yes sir. Now, what kind of agent is sodium? If they ask you, then sodium is here reducing agent. Now, this is the only thing which you need to remember. Am I clear? Yes, Shivam. Thank you so much. Reducing agent. Yes. So sodium. Once again, I am repeating it for you. Sodium. The process loss of electron is oxidation. Done. Sodium is getting oxidized. And what kind of agent is sodium? It is reducing agent. So in this way, you have to make your concept clear. Okay. Okay. Clear? I'll just take one more example. Suppose I have got now chlorine will accept one electron and become Cl minus. Done. So which process is this? Process. Okay, this is. Oh, good, sir. Oh, good. Yes, this is reduction. Very good, students. Chlorine is getting oxidized or reduced. Okay, it is getting reduced. And what kind of agent is this? What kind of agent is chlorine? Yes. Very good. This is oxidizing agent. Okay. I am very happy. Now, Aryan, how it is reducing agent? Suman Mato is also saying reducing agent. Are process is reduction. She has deleted now. Process is reduction. It is getting reduced. That means agent always it becomes the opposite. Agent, whenever they ask you the agent, it is always the opposite of the process. Okay. It is always the opposite of the process. Now, am I clear to you regarding what is oxidizing, what is oxidation, what is oxidizing, and what is oxidized and what is oxidizing agent? I hope it is clear to all of you. Yugal, no sir. What is the problem, Yugal? It's very simple. Okay, clear, sir. Okay. See, once again I am telling to you, see, chlorine is accepting one electron, so this process is reduction. Whenever you accept, sir, can you say its definition once? Which definition? Which definition, Rahul Singh? Can you say its definition once? See, the main thing is that oxidation is the process where you lose electron, okay, and reduction is the process where you gain electron. This is only the definition which you remember. You don't need to remember, yes, of oxidation and reduction. I have said. See, oxidation means, all of you note down in your access copy. Oxidation means loss of electron. All of you note down. Okay, I am telling about reduction also. Oxidation means loss of electron. Note it down. And reduction means gain of electron. Note it down. Okay. So whenever you gain electron, it is reduction. Whenever you lose electron, it is oxidation. Okay. And if you are undergoing reduction, then this element is getting reduced, but this element is a oxidizing agent. In this way, you have to remember. Okay. This is the simple technique of understanding. I hope I have Okay, thank you so much, Yugal, for writing. So it is clear. Okay, so let's move on to board's question now. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Okay, yes. So again, we will start with the same thing that we have done in the last class. You write down the question number and the answer to me quickly. Okay, so this is the first question on your screen. So I request all of you to start giving me the answer. If any doubt, please feel free to comment. Okay. Okay, Shivam Kedia has given the yes. Shivam, you are the first one to give answer. Equal non-polar. Let me see where it is. When the nucleus of two different reacting atoms are of, then the bond so formed is called. Now see, there are. This is such a question where both the answers are possible. Okay, if the nucleus of two reacting atoms are equal, then it will be non-polar. Okay, because if both are hydrogen, see, I'll tell you why also. See, if both are hydrogen and hydrogen, if they are same, then this compound will be non-polar. Okay, but if they are unequal, then it will be polar. So their answer can be same. Unequal, polar. Yes, Pausalide, you have given the correct answer. Either you can write equal non-polar, equal non-polar. Rahul Singh has given equal non-polar. Okay, very good. Equal non-polar or unequal polar, both are correct. Okay, I think all of you have understood. So let's move on to the next part, B. In case of non-polar covalent bond, the covalent bond is formed in the dash of atoms and shared electrons are dash. If in exam this type of question comes, then what will be the you can write anything, both are correct. Shivam, if this question comes in exam, then you can write both, whatever answer we have given. In case of non-polar covalent compound means like this hydrogen example is given here. The covalent bond is formed in the dash of atom, in the middle of atoms, and electrons are equally distributed. Yes, not corner. It is middle. Bond is formed in the middle. Okay, not corner. So it is formed in the middle, and the electrons are equally. You are dividing it equally. Okay, so it is middle unequally distributed. If it is in the middle, then how come it will be unequally distributed, Suman? It is in the middle means it is equally. If it is at one side, then it is called unequal. Middle equally. Okay, Rishika. Okay, sir. Yes, middle equally. Okay. All of you have understood then? So let's move on to the next part. Middle equally. Okay, Anessa is also giving answers. All of you are giving me good answers, correct answers. You are really good students. I hope all of you can score good marks in boards. I can see a bright future. Okay, Poonam has already given the answer for the next question also. Ionic or electrovalent compounds do not conduct electricity in their yes. Very good. This is solid state. Yes. Okay. Yes. Please note down in access copy also the answers, or if you are using a textbook, you can write there with the pencil. Sir, you are also good. So you can use pencil. A textbook is there, chemistry textbook is there. All the questions are brought from there only. You only have given it to me. So you can use a pencil and you can write the answer there. Okay, so that afterwards you can revise. Sir, it is fused, I guess. No, fused means it is molten. So Pausalide, fused means it is molten. So whenever it is molten, they will conduct electricity. Okay, whenever they are in solid state, then they will not conduct electricity. So the next question, the ions in dash compound are held. The ions in yes, electrovalent will be the answer. Compounds are held strongly due to strong, this is known as electrostatic. So it is strong electrostatic force of attraction. I have already said. Electrovalent bond, you can write as a keyword. Okay, I request all of you to use a keyword here. I am just writing it here. See, electrovalent bond means electrostatic. Please note it down. And covalent bond means van der Waals. Okay, Electrovalent bond means electrostatic force of attraction, and covalent bond means van der Waals force of attraction. Please note it down, okay? So let's move on to the next part. Okay, so again quickly I request all of you to give the answer. (2009) answer I have already given you last time when I was teaching. I think all of you know. NaCl, clashing adda. What are you saying? Oh, NaCl. Please don't say this kind of answer. I've given this answer to you. Sodium chloride. Anita Agarwal is also saying sodium chloride. You did not. You were not present in my last class or what? Rishika is also saying sodium chloride. Shivam Kedia. Yes. Please, this is a very important question that comes in exam so many times. Okay. Yes, it is ammonium chloride, not sodium chloride. This is a wrong answer. Your answer should be ammonium chloride. NH4Cl. This is the answer. Yes. Ammonium chloride. Some of you are rectifying your answer right now. Please do not re-edit your comments, okay? It is ammonium chloride. Done? Clear to you? You remember this. You have to mark it up. You just remember it. Done. Okay? Okay, draw the structural formula. Okay, yes, you will. Thank you so much. Draw the structural formula of carbon tetrachloride and state the type of bond present in it. I just show it to you here. Carbon tetrachloride will be C in the middle, Cl, 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 Cl. Okay, this is carbon tetrachloride. And what type of bond will be there? Yes, Shivam. Thank you so much. It will be covalent bond. Okay, it will be covalent bond. You can just copy this. And if you know, well and good. It will be covalent. Okay, yes, Annesa. You are saying covalent. Okay, thank you so much for your correct answers. I really appreciate you all. Okay, you can copy this. Carbon tetrachloride means CCl4. Okay. You all have to learn how to draw this kind of structures. It comes in exam every year. Okay. So this is also done. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, yes, sir, it is also known as monochloromethane. Shivam, no need to take that much tension. It is known as monochloromethane. If they will give an exam, they will give you as carbon tetrachloride only. Okay. Now this is the question. Again, start commenting with the answers. Okay, Rahul Singh is saying oxidation. Yes. Metal loses electron during ionization. Just now I have taught you this is known as oxidation. So whenever you lose electron, it is known as oxidation. Yes. Thank you so much, students, for a correct answer. Now give me the answer for question number B. Oxidation. Aryan is also saying oxidize. Your spelling is unique, Aryan. Oxidization. It is not oxidization, Aryan. It is oxidation. Okay. Sodium chloride. Select the correct answer. Sodium chloride. NaCl. So metal, non-metal. That means it will be ionic bond. Okay. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium ion. Sorry. Ammonium ion means NH4 plus. Ammonium ion means covalent and coordinate bond. Okay, this is the answer. Covalent and coordinate bond. Ammonium ion is yes, Rahul, you are giving the correct answer. Please give the number, okay, because it will be confusing for me for which question you are giving me the answer. And number 3, carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride we have done just now, CCl4. It is covalent bond, okay. Number 2. Okay, yes, Anisha, covalent and coordinate. Number 2, correct. Coordinate. Aryan Chetri, coordinate for the which one? Number 2. Yes, 3 is covalent bond, correct. So all of you are giving the correct answer. That means you all have understood. Done. I don't think so there should be any doubt. If there is any doubt, you can please ask me. Okay, next is 2011. All of you solve this quickly. In covalent compounds, the bond is formed due to covalent compounds. There is sharing. Yes. Transfer. Who has written transfer here? Clashing order. Who is this clashing order? Can you name? What is the name? Yes, this is transfer. Oh, sorry, sharing. Whenever there is covalent bond, then it is called as sharing. Electrovalent compounds have I have already discussed with you this one. I have given you the answer in my previous video also. They have high. Okay, a molecule of dash contains a triple bond. What is the answer? Number 3. Okay, number 3. Nitrogen. Yes, answer is nitrogen. Rahul Singh has said me ammonia. So I have understood. Okay. I have understood your confusion. Okay, students, what is the problem you are having? If you are saying nitrogen, if you are confused with nitrogen and ammonia, I'll just teach you one thing here. See, all of you pay attention here. See, ammonia is NH, H and H. Okay, so this is ammonia, and nitrogen is N and N. Now this is not a triple bond. Once again, I am saying this is not a triple bond. These are three single bonds. Okay, one single bond, two single bond, and three single bonds. So these are not triple bonds, but this is a triple bond because at one place there are 3 bonds. So this is known as your triple bond. Okay, so nitrogen is the answer. N2. Understood? Now you have to draw the structure of ammonium ion. So NH4 plus, and I have already discussed you in my previous class, so all of you can just copy the same thing. Okay, ammonium ion. Will not waste time on this. You all know how to draw this. I have said learn the structure, you will get 1 marks for this. Okay, and the last question we have is hydrogen chloride can be termed as a polar covalent compound. Okay, hydrogen chloride can be termed as polar covalent compound. I request all of you to write down the answer for this. Because chlorine has a high electronegativity and gains slightly at negative. Okay, I will just dictate the answer. I request all of you to write down in an excess copy. Okay, hydrogen chloride can be termed as polar covalent compound because, please note out in excess copy, because due to difference in electronegativity, hydrogen gains slightly positive charge. Once again, I am repeating. Due to difference in electronegativity, hydrogen gains slightly positive charge, and chlorine gains slightly negative charge. Hydrogen gains slightly positive charge, and chlorine gains slightly negative charge. Full stop. Hence, hydrogen chloride becomes a polar covalent compound. So this is the answer. Hence, hydrogen chloride becomes a polar covalent compound. Okay, I hope all of you have copied. Is there any doubt? due to, okay, Pausal is saying, so I'll repeat again, due to difference in electronegativity, hydrogen gains slightly. Shivam, your answer is also correct, Shivam, there is no problem. Due to difference in electronegativity, hydrogen gains slightly positive charge and chlorine gains slightly negative charge. Okay, now this question, this is half complete question. Okay, so this question you all know the answer. Hydronium ion, you all can do the hydronium ion means H3O plus. Okay, and this question is halfly complete, so we will quit this question. Okay, you all can do this on your own. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this part you can try at home. Okay, so shall we start with 2013? So I request all of you to start giving me the answers. Okay, a chemical term, a bond formed a shared pair of electron with both the electrons coming from the same atom. I think all of you know this. This is known as covalent. It is not covalent, it is coordinate. Okay, Poonam. Covalent means where you share from both the side. Coordinate means you share, but both the electrons come from one side. Okay, among the three compounds, okay, this answer already we have discussed. It will be ammonium chloride. Okay, number C. State which is not a typical property of an ionic compound. Which is not a typical property of ionic compound. So this is a very confusing question here. Yes, the typical property here will be number C. Okay, conduct electricity in molten and aqueous state. This is correct. Yes, are soluble. So this is the typical property. Okay, now compare carbon tetrachloride and sodium chloride with regards to solubility in water and electric conductivity. For this, what you have to do is you have to think carbon tetrachloride is covalent bond, okay, and sodium chloride is electrovalent or ionic bond. So you have to just compare the property of covalent and electrovalent with respect to solubility and with respect to electrical conductivity, okay, which we have already discussed in the previous class. Shivam, you said D at first. Okay, so covalent compound and electrovalent compound, the properties comparison is already we have discussed and it is there in the book also. So you can simply write one property. Okay, so this part I am leaving it to you. Yes, carbon tetrachloride has low melting point. Low melting point that they have not asked. Solubility. Carbon tetrachloride is insoluble in water. Sodium chloride is soluble in water. You can write like that. Okay, so you have to compare those properties that is given there in the question. Okay, Shivam. Sorry for the disturbances. Okay, students, sorry for the disturbances. Okay, am I audible to you? There was some error, technical error here. Okay, now start giving me the answer for this. 2014. Okay, compound X consists of molecules. Whenever they say molecules, it means covalent. I have already said. Okay, so molecules. X will have crystalline structure. No. Yes. Or low melting and boiling point. So this is the correct answer. A, B. Okay, yes. A answer is B. The molecules which contain a triple covalent bond is, just now I have said this, triple covalent bond. What is the answer? Yes, very good. Nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen. Yes. All of you are giving correct answers. Thank you so much. Come to question number C. Give one word or phrase for the following. Formation of ions from molecules. What do you call this? You can call it as ionization. Okay. Or dissociation also, yes. Ralston dissociation also you can write. Okay. Ionization, dissociation, whatever you feel like you can write. Done? So, sir, how? Because when you break into ions, it is known as ionization. No, very simple. Whenever there is formation of ion, this process is known as ionization. Remember in this way. Okay, Yugal. So, give a reason why covalent compounds exist as soft, solid, liquids or gas. Whenever this question comes in exam, the answer will always be 1. Okay, please note it down. Covalent compounds have weak van der Waals force of attraction. Hence, they exist as solid, liquid and gas, whatever. Please copy this, okay? Covalent compounds have weak van der Waals force of attraction. Hence, they are solid, liquid or gas, okay? I have written here. You can copy that. Covalent compounds have weak van der Waals force of attraction. Hence, they exist as solid, liquid or gas. What about mine answer, Shivam Kedia? Where I have given? Because they have lowest electrostatic force of attraction. They have weak electrostatic force of attraction. Question is of covalent compound, and where from electrostatic force came, Shivam? Whenever we use the word electrostatic force of attraction, it means for electrovalent or ionic bond. Okay, so whenever we take covalent bond, it is for van der Waals force of attraction. Covalent means van der Waals. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Very good students. You all are understanding so fast. So, yes. This is the last question for today, dear students. I'm sorry for making it a very long session for you all. So, I request all of you to give me the answer for this 2016. Okay, then we will end up. Okay, the following table shows the electronic configuration of the element W, X, Y and Z. So this is the electronic configuration. Okay, now answer the following question based on the table. What type of bond is formed between Y, W and X? So you just need to understand which one is metal, non-metal. So the first answer that we have is W and X. W means 281. So this is a metal. So first of all, let's write like this. This is a non-metal. This is a non-metal, and this is non-metal only, hydrogen. Okay. So WNX means it is ionic. Yes, very good, very good. This is ionic bond. Okay, very good, very good. Y and Z, where is Y and Z? Y and Z, this is, it has to be covalent. Yes, because Z is also non-metal, Y is also non-metal, so covalent. Done. Number 1 is ionic, number 2 is covalent. Number 2, understood why it is covalent? Because both are non-metal. Hydrogen is a non-metal. Okay, that's why. What is the formula of the compound in X and Z? Let's do this. X and Z. X and Z, not Y. Momota Gurung. Yes, it will be XZ. Now some of you are thinking why it is XZ. Why it is XZ? Yes. Yes. I have made a small mistake here. This Abhirup Basak has given the correct answer. It should be ZX. Yes. Why? Because okay, we do not write ClNa. Why? Because we always write elements. See, if you consider the periodic table, try to understand the elements on the left hand side are written first, and elements on the right hand side are written second. Okay. So if you look at X and Z, X is here and Z is here. Done. So formula will be ZX. Very, very good. Okay. Very, very good. I'm very happy. Sir, you are not. Yes, actually some technical problem is going on. Okay, I hope again I have come back. Am I audible? Okay, so let's try this. W and X. W and X. Okay. Okay, see. W Dinu Parsa. Okay, W means this is on the left hand side because 281, and X is on the right hand side. Okay, so okay, the right hand side. Okay, so W valence is 1, X valence is also 1. I hope all of you have understood why X valence is 1, because X has got 7 electron in the outermost shell, so it is going to accept 1. So if you crisscross this, then W and X. Done. X. Yes, Momota Gurung. Bapre, what is your name? Yes, answer is WX. The correct answer is WX. That means all of you have understood. All of you have understood till this question? Please comment quickly. Okay, thank you so much, dear students. Okay, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do not forget to like this video if you have understood everything. Okay, at least one like I can expect it from you. Thank you sir for helping us. Okay, YRY gaming. Okay, thank you so much, dear students, also for being with me. Okay, and coping up with me. Actually, it is a very good session with you all. Done. So again after 2-3 days again I'll come with a new video. Okay, students, thank you so much. Bye bye, have a good day.